Hi! In front of me is Samsung Galaxy A33, and today I would like to show you how you can operate the voice recorder on this device. First of all, you need to find Recorder app and click on it. If you don't have it already on your smartphone, you need to click on the Play Store, click on the search bar and type in Samsung Voice Recorder. Then install this free app from Samsung developer and open it. Over here, choose while using the app and tap on Allow in the pop-ups. Then click on this red button to start recording. You can pause it and unpause it using the same one. If you wish to add a bookmark, click on this orange icon over here, and if you wish to end it and save it, click on the square button. Now name your recording however you wish to and choose Save. As you can see, mine is over here. If you want to play it, just click on it. If you wish to get rid of it though, you can do that by going back, holding your recording from this list over here, choosing Delete All at the bottom and confirming your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!